everyone, this is Sandy Create the Heart, and today I'm here to share my unboxing of the Create and Connect virtual card making kit from Pinkfresh Studio. This is the event that's going to be May 17th through 18th. It is themed for him, so it's projects that are going to be and products that are geared towards making more masculine cards. Even though, of course, you can make these for anybody. But I'm very excited about it because there's some more unique products than just flowers in here, so I'm really excited about this event. So the way that I usually do my unboxings, and so I've got a whole playlist of various unboxings that I've done for many virtual retreats that I've done over the years, and so it's just a good way for people to kind of get an idea of what you get in one of these events because they're fairly expensive. And so it gives you an idea of whether it's something you'd want to do, so you have an idea what's in the kit. And I think Pinkfresh Studio is one of the more generous ones. They do a really nice job. There's two different kinds. There's most companies do the retreat where you have like homework, so you have to do your own, supply your own paper, do your own cutting, do any prep ahead of time. Many companies don't do it like Taylor Expressions, their Stamp Joy, where they cut everything for you. They have everything prepared for you, but you get a lot less product. But you get everything prepared in advance for you, so you're just making cards. So these ones take a little bit of time. There's a lot. I usually don't watch these live. I usually watch the replay because I usually don't do the homework, so I'm making everything from scratch at that moment, and so I can pause when I do it. That's not live. But anyway, let's get into the unboxing. And usually you get a bag of essentials, and the essentials are basics that can go with just about anything that they're going to use throughout the classes. So we're getting the dotted nested deckled rectangles, which is very, very nice. And we also are getting the stitched diamonds cover plates, which is also very nice. I'm excited about that. And then this is actually the die sets that go with the stamp set, which is called My Favorite Person. And so what I noticed in my box, which, I'm not going to show you the box because it has my address right on it. Not that it totally matters, but is that all of the stamp sets are like not together with the rest of the kit, so it's kind of weird. But so I don't know why they did it like that. Maybe because some of them didn't fit in the bags. I don't know. But this is the stamp set that goes with this, so I'm actually going to put these sort of together so that I'm not searching for them. But this is My Favorite Person, and someone joked that they have lots and lots of cards that say, my friend, to my friend, hello friend, that kind of thing. So it's kind of nice to have some different sentiments, and so that's what that is. And so that's all part of the what we call the essentials. And then we usually get some sort of swag or like a free gift. A lot of times it's something new that they're going to be adding into their range. And so we're going to be we did get the Precision Clear Craft Glue, which is going to be, I think this is like the little sample size. This is going to be something new that I think they're going to have in their collection. Okay, so let's get into it. Here's all the things. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this somewhere. Get everything together. Okay. This is class number 6, which is called Fresh Start. And I'm going to see if I can find, here is the stamp set. So maybe the stamp set doesn't fit, but I feel like it does. So what we get in the Fresh Start is we get the stamp, we get this stencil, and we get the die. So we get everything to make these cards, and it's like this breakfast type set. And so it fits in there, so it's kind of weird that it wasn't together, but that's okay. So that is going to be taught by Carissa Wiley, which I'm excited about that. She's an amazing teacher. Then we have one called Rooted in the City, which is going to be taught by Jeff Lindbergh. But here's the stamp set, and we get the die as well as the stencil. We get the whole thing. The only thing we don't get sometimes is like press plates that they might release later, or that's about it. Normally we get everything that kind of goes in the collection usually. So that's Rooted in the City. So this is kind of good because I can put everything together because I hate searching. This one is called Outdoor Adventures with Yana. Maybe that one. Oh yeah, this one is very cool. This one is, we've got 2 different stencils. Oh, no, I lied. 3 different stencils. No, wait. 4 different stencils. So we get the lantern die, and then we get the different things, the stencils that you can make the different things. So this one makes the fire with the s'mores. This one is for the lantern itself, so like the lantern, the color of a lantern. This one is the camping scene, and then this one is the fish. I would love if they came out with even more things that go with the lantern, like other things. I don't know what, but it'd be cool. And I'm going to guess that this maybe doesn't go with it. Maybe this is just a strictly, let's see, Outdoor Adventures. Oh, here it is. This one is a sentiment stamp set then that goes with it. So that's amazing. I'm going to put that with that, even though I'm sure there are other people probably using that stamp set. Okay, now we're on to class 2, which is the True Classic. And this one we get the stamp set, the die, and the stencil. And here is the stamp set. And it makes this fun car, and then the different scenes. It's got that retro vibe. That's what it looks like. This one is very exciting. This is going to be a fun class. So I'll put that, and hopefully it fits in there. I do enjoy when everything kind of can get stored together. This one's a little bit of a tight fit, but okay. And then we're on to the last one. This is the Starlit Path with Annette, and this one makes this type of a scene, this nighttime scene. And I think this is really great because you could very easily include little creatures, little critters that you have in your collection that could be watching the stars, or little, if you have people, you know, greeting farm people. So, you know, you could definitely have some versatility in using this one for sure. So let me know what you think. I think this is a really amazing kit. So usually what I do is after I do the classes, then I have a follow-up video where I show you everything that we made and how I felt about how the classes went. I'm hoping to do the classes very soon after, or that weekend sometime, maybe be a day or 2 behind. But May is crazy month for me because I am a teacher, but actually a librarian. I work in the library, but it's a very crazy time. Everybody's super tired, and so just trying to get through this year. But I will be doing these classes and showing you guys what I make. So anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy of Heart.